Welcome back to blackoutcurtains.ae. If you're planning a home makeover or simply looking to update your interiors, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the hottest curtain trends for 2024 that will take your space from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's get started. That wraps up today's video on the top curtain trends for 2024. I hope you got some great ideas to update your space. If you're ready to explore these trends or want to find the perfect curtains for your home, head over to blackoutcurtains.ae. If you enjoyed this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you never miss out on the latest in home design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.